Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases on your own website, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to connect Printify to your Wix website in 2025. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to integrate Printify, making it super easy to start selling your designs online without worrying about inventory or shipping headaches. Let's jump in and make your online store dreams a reality. First up, head over to your Wix website design dashboard. You'll want to make sure you're logged into the Wix account where you're building your site. This might seem obvious, but it's a good way to avoid any confusion later on, especially if you manage multiple websites. The website design dashboard is where all the magic happens, from layout changes to hosting apps like Printify, so make sure you're in the right spot. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the top right corner of the editor and find the search bar. This is a powerful little tool that lets you find specific features and apps quickly, saving you tons of time. Go ahead and click on that search bar. Now type Printify into the search field. You should see Printify pop up in the results, usually as an app or integration. Click on it to open up more information. Think of this step like looking up a recipe. You want to make sure you're getting the right ingredients for your store. Next, hit the Add to Site button. This is where you actually bring Printify into your Wix ecosystem. After you click, the system may take a few moments to load as it integrates the app into your website. Don't worry if it's not instant, just make sure your internet connection is stable and let Wix do its thing. This part can be like installing updates on your phone. Sometimes it needs a little patience. Once Printify has loaded up, you'll be presented with a few questions. Wix and Printify want to make sure they're setting things up correctly for you, so you may need to provide basic information about your store, like the kind of products you want to offer or other preferences. Take your time here and answer accurately. These questions help tailor the setup to your needs, so it's worth making sure the details are right. After answering those prompts, you'll be asked to log in using your Gmail account. If you don't already have a Printify account, this is when you'll set one up. Using Gmail here streamlines the process and ensures a secure connection between your store and Printify. If you forget your password or run into any issues, don't panic, just follow the on-screen instructions or do a quick password reset if needed. Now for the last simple step, state your store name. This is the name that will be associated with your Printify account, and in most cases, what customers will see when they're browsing your products. Make it something memorable and brand appropriate. If you ever change your mind, you can edit this later, but it's always nice to have a clear brand identity from the start. And that's it. Your Wix site is now connected to Printify, and you're ready to start adding products, customizing designs, and making sales. It's honestly much easier than it sounds, and once everything's linked up, you can focus on what matters, creating amazing products for your audience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you ran into any roadblocks or have any questions. And if you want more straightforward guides like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Good luck with your online store. I can't wait to see what you create.